Now we will see what is a surd. Surd is the irrational number. Say the surds are the irrational numbers which are roots of positive integers and the value of the roots cannot be determined. Surds have infinite non-recurring decimals. To understand this, let us consider the examples, namely root 2, root 5, cube root of 17, which are square roots of cube root of or the nth root of any positive integer. So in this case, it is satisfying the condition they are the irrational numbers which are the roots of positive integers. They are called surds. For example, each of the quantities root 3, cube root of 7, fourth root of 19, etc. is a surd. Similarly, the combination of rational plus irrational number is also a surd. For example, 2 plus root 2 is a surd. 5 plus root 5 is also a surd. Now we will see some kind of examples of surds next video. Now in this session we will see some kind of examples of surd as a surd of order, nth order, third order, second order, etc. Consider this example. Express root 2 as a surd of order 4. The solution you can easily understand. Root 2 can be written in the form of 2 power 1 by 2. That power 1 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into 2 by 2. That means I am multiplying by 2 and dividing by 2 in the power. So now that can be written in the form of 2 power 2 by 4, and 2 power 2 can be written as 4 and 1 by 4. So 4 power 1 by 4, which is nothing but the fourth root of 4. Thus fourth root of 4 is a surd of order 4. So if we are able to write nth root of something, then we say that it is of order n. Here n is equal to 4. So fourth root of 4 is a surd of order 4. Now you consider another example. Find which are the surds from the following numbers. I give you some numbers, you find out which are the numbers are surds. Say the first number is square root of 24. The second number is cube root of 64 into square root of 121, and the third number is square root of 50. Now solution. Square root of 24 can be written as square root of 4 into 6. So square root of 4 can be written as 2 root 2 into, and here if you take square root of 3. So finally this is nothing but, so root of 24 is a surd because it is finally root of 24 is written in the form of 2 root 2 into root 3. So it is having the surd form. So root of 24 is a surd. Next we consider cube root of 64 into square root of 121. That can be written in the form of cube root of 64 can be written in the form of 4 power 3 into square root of 121. So that is equal to here 4 into cube root of 121 is nothing but, here square root of 121 is nothing but 11. So finally you are getting the value as 44. So cube root of 64 into square root of 121 is finally equal to 44, which is a rational number, and so it is not a surd. Next example, square root of 50 is equal to square root of 2 into 25, that is nothing but 5 root 2. So it is naturally a irrational number. So square root of 50 is a surd. So these are the examples of surd.